What's up guys, I'm Rupak and in this video I'm going to show you an amazing and highly secure security system, and this project is towards the complicated side, so I won't make a tutorial video for this project. So here I have the project, and first I'll show you all the components that I have used to make this, and then we will talk about the functioning and all the security features. Later on I'm going to solder all the components and then I will actually attach it to my door as a daily driver. So here I have the Arduino Nano board along with ESP-01 for internet connectivity. Here I have attached an LED instead of a door lock. This is just for the breadboard demonstration. I'll show the same thing with an actual lock in the later part of the video. Here I have attached the keypad. This is the power supply. Here I have a buzzer which gives feedback whenever you press a key on the keypad. Lastly, I have the RF receiver along with door sensor. So the current password is 1234 and hashtag is to evaluate the password. So I enter the password and then press the hash key, and this LED should glow for 1.5 seconds, denoting that the door has been unlocked. Now suppose someone presses random button when you are not around, and when you return back and enter the actual password, technically the system should append your input on top of the previous input, which unintentionally treats it as a wrong input. But that's not going to happen here. Whenever you enter anything and leave the system for 10 seconds, it cleans up the previous passwords. In other words, if no activity is recorded for 10 seconds, the previous input gets deleted. So here, if I enter some random numbers and leave the system for 10 seconds, now if I enter the actual password, then it should unlock. So as you can see, this works. Next up, suppose you are not at home but you want someone else to unlock the door without knowing the password. So what you can do is you can just ask the person to press and hold the star key for 2 or 3 seconds. It will push a one-time password or an OTP on my mobile phone. Here I'll show you how it works. So as you can see, my phone received an OTP and it says the OTP is 4455 and it's going to be random every time. So if I enter 4455 and press the hash key, it's going to unlock the door. But if I enter the same number again, it won't unlock. So as you can see, this thing works very well. Now here's the next feature. If you enter the password 2 times, the buzzer will beep 5 times, and what it will do is it will put the system in something which I call the secure mode. Now the door sensor gets pasted on your door, and you can connect as many door sensors as you want. As soon as the door gets unlocked, without entering a password, the door sensor sends a signal to the RF receiver, and further the ESP-01 board sends a notification on my phone. So here is a magnet which is used to determine whether the door is closed or open. So here I am entering the password 2 times. And now, as soon as the magnet gets separated from the door sensor, it will send a notification on my phone. So as you can see, I received a notification. This says, this is a security alert occurred at August 4, 2020 at 3:29 p.m. Along with the notification, it does another thing. it turns on this 220 volt socket, and this is something which I showed in my previous video. So actually you can attach a siren to this socket and it will start working as soon as somebody unlocks a door without entering a password. Now, if you want to change the password, you don't need to reprogram the whole thing. What you need to do is just enter the current password followed by ABCD and then enter the new password. I'm going to enter 0000 and then press hash. So 4 times 0 becomes your new password. And now if I enter it, so you can see the LED glows, and if I enter 1, 2, 3, 4, the LED won't glow. Now suppose you get a new Wi-Fi connection and want to change the connection address for the ESP-01, then again you don't need to reprogram it. Just enter the current password followed by DCBA and press hashtag. What it will do is it will put the ESP-01 board in something which I call the programming mode. Now next, on your phone, go to the Wi-Fi settings. Here you would be able to see a new Wi-Fi network. Just tap it. It will ask you to sign in. Just enter your Wi-Fi SSID. Now enter your password and hit save. I'm not going to do that because it's already set up. Now after this, you are done. Next time when you reboot the device, the ESP-01 will connect to your Wi-Fi network. Now I'll solder everything and then install the system on my door. So finally I have made this thing, and everything here is removable. I've used Berg strips to connect the Arduino, the ESP-01 and the RF receiver. And here you can see the keypad, and this is the power input, this is the buzzer output, and you can attach your lock over here below the ESP-01. You can connect your lock here and then put this back again. And I've used relay to control the high voltage for the electronic lock, and this is a really compact handmade circuit board, as you can see. And now I'm going to connect this to my door. works very well, and now you know what can happen if you try to enter my house, so please do not try to do so. And with this we come to the end of our video. A sub to the channel would be incredible, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.